Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open OneNote and sign in. You need a Microsoft account to sync. Create a new notebook immediately. Name it clearly so you find it later. Tap Plus Section and Plus Page to begin. Start with a titled page. Once done, adjust sync settings to Wi-Fi only if you want to save mobile data, and enable offline pages so notes remain available without signal. Make sure permissions allow microphone and pen input, because you'll use them in the next steps. Start adding content. Choose pen for handwriting or type to enter text faster. Pinch to resize ink and convert handwriting if needed. Insert photos, record audio, or attach files to keep everything together. Tag important items with custom tags like to do, question, or highlight so you can search later. Once done, organize with sections, subpages, and drag and drop to reorder. Make sure to create a consistent naming pattern so you can find notes quickly when studying or sharing. Before you finish, force a manual sync so changes upload immediately. Check the sync icon on the notebook list to confirm. Share a page or entire notebook by inviting collaborators and set view versus edit rights depending on needs. Once done, make a quick backup. Export important pages as PDFs. If syncing or pen input fails, restart the app, check internet, and clear the cache. If problems persist, reinstall OneNote. This often resolves corrupted local data and restores normal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.